Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to use navigation pane in Word 2010. We can navigate headings in Word document. How can we do that? Just open Word document. You will see there are 7 headings in this document. If I want to jump one heading to another heading, you have to scroll down. It's very difficult to read any headings which I want. Just go to the view menu. There you will find a navigation pane. Just click here. There is a option of browse the heading in your document. You can jump any heading with browse with click. Just click modem. It will go to the modem tab. If you click printer, it goes to the printer heading. You can move anywhere very quickly. It's a very good option in Word. And there is a second option, browse the page in your document. If you have 10 pages, it will display all 10 pages here. You can jump one page to another very easily. And third option is the results from your current search. You can find results in your current search. Just type any word like a computer. I want to find a computer word. It will display all the word. It will find all the word. Like you can click here heading step. It will tell you you can find in monitor heading a computer word, like a printer. You can find a computer word. It's a very good technique to display all the things by navigation. And if you go to the result view, it will display all the sentence where you will find computer. Hope this technique will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.